I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to add friends. First, sign into Spotify and confirm your profile is visible. Open the app and navigate to search or the friend activity column on desktop. Once done, locate a friend's username or their profile link from messages or social media. You can also connect Facebook to import contacts quickly. However you chose, make sure you're looking at the exact username. This avoids sending requests to the wrong person and speeds up the next steps. Now search for the friend using their exact username or paste the profile link into the search field. Once you land on their profile page, tap or click follow. That action adds them to your following list and enables shared activity. Make sure to check your library or the following section to verify they appear there. If you connected Facebook, you can also follow suggested friends from the friend activity list. This sync makes bulk following faster while keeping everything organized. Finish by sharing a playlist or sending a Spotify code or profile link so your friend knows to follow you back. Message them the link directly. You can create a collaborative playlist to confirm connection and start sharing music. If they don't appear or follows fail, make sure both of you have up-to-date apps, public profiles, and correct usernames. Also check network permissions and logout/login once. If problems persist, toggling Facebook or reconnecting accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.